All right, save the music. Go to the last video here. We're third one here when we come into this. But yeah, sixth one, I think, of all this behavior here. So at the 29th day of March 2025. It's too bad they got the music, but I'll show you some stuff. You can tell these are old. Oh my goodness. Yeah, hell yeah. No leather jacket, 3XL, 150 bucks. Those are heavy bastards. I like these seats. Yeah, in that last video, I could smell that bike that it just recently got a fire. I could smell it. It's like, woo! That was reeking. All kinds of fun stuff. Get over into here, you got water bottles, screws, probably a lot of stuff probably bought out from a company. The lights again, it probably, again, someone just sell them. Here, take it off our hands. More hats. You got other stuff by Overstock. Nice rims here. Jesus. $1,200 for. Woo! I guess if you know what you're looking for. Look at that bad boy. Fat baggers. Yeah, all kinds of fun stuff. There's another right down there. This is what swap meets are all about. And what you're looking at. Maybe that's what is that, $1,000 the best offer? Oh my goodness. Nix and Nax. I think it's interesting as hell. Call us. Give them a call. We've gone this far in the video. We got stuff over there. Oh, Malloy. I mean, I have no idea what this stuff is, but someone would. I'm gonna need a little thing right here, pedometers. Oh, more seats. We got no trespassing, or you have a bulletproof, just be stupid. House is protected by a tack dog. Rugs. Got weed, yeah. Why not? Hell yeah. Yeah, they got all kinds of stuff. Everywhere you go, you can just tell. More and more people, more and more stuff. Yeah. Motors. Goodness. Old sunglasses. You can't fix it, you don't pay. Knucklehead Garage. Love it. Hot Rod Garage. Route 66, the Mother Road. Someday I want to drive that, but maybe my next life. Free. Good. So you got more stuff over here. Little motorcycles over there. I probably could buy that one and put a motor in it. Work on that one, another project. All kinds of weird stuff. Let's go over here. Let's finish it over here. I've been over here before. They have all kinds of interesting stuff here. Tools, strap downs. I use these in my truck. So they got it, you name it. We usually get from Uline in the first place, but.
Checking stuff out?
Yep. That's what I'm doing. Look at these. Oh yeah, when you need to turn something, here you go. 28 bucks. Tools galore here. You're a wrench head. Eight-piece. These are nice. These are nice. Oh yeah. They got a shitload of stuff that kind of go around. Everybody over here. So you got. Go. For batteries and stuff. Clean your batteries and stuff. It's a battery row here. Yeah, they have a variety of stuff. Oh, all kinds of fun tools. My dad was only we're craftsmen, so kind of hear that music in the background. Hopefully it doesn't too much. Probably can't. Probably over all the other behavior, but yeah, they got everything in here. They got grinding stuff right here. All kinds of fun stuff. We're gonna do some grinding. Yep. They got it. You name it. But anyways, I'll go over here and finish over here real quick. I don't get too close to music. They've got newer stuff here, but they got a lot of speakers. Anyways, guys, so hope you enjoyed another adventure here at the motorcycle show. It was fun. It's just to see all this stuff. So coming up next, probably the car show before I go to St. Martin. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the adventure, showing you stuff over here at the swap meet. So I buy vintage clothing. It's 800 old rags. So if you want to do it, have at it. So all right, guys, from the outskirts, see you next time.